Okay, I'm getting a lot of questions like, is GWAV dead? Is this a stock that can go up? This stock is going against a lot of things. This stock is very hard. This stock is very stubborn. I get it. A lot of people that have too much money in this thing are losing patience. I just want to go over some basic swing trading rules that I go through in my Discord, what I want to show you guys, and I'm going to go over the trend channel here and all that. So, if you guys are in my Discord, if you're not in my Discord, the link's down below in the YouTube comments down below and in the description. You can join a high valued service that makes sense, that where you get in at the bottom before the move happens. Because once GWAV moves up, we want to be out of this trade and not be in it anymore. So here's GWAV. As of right now, we have made a whole new low. We made a 52-week low, but like I said, in according to the trend channel, we had room to go down. Could we have broken out of this channel here? Absolutely. But we know there's clear resistance at this top of the trend channel, and there's clear support down here. Can we absolutely hit this EMA 20 in a blink of an eye? Absolutely. We are due for it. As you can see, the current date is 9:05, and if you guys are new to the channel, anything that doesn't touch this blue line, which is your EMA 20, is extremely rare in 2 months of time distance. Their last touch was 528. So we have 628, 728, 828, and we have 3 months and a week now. So, I mean, this is very absurd. This is very abnormal. And yes, sometimes it can do that. Sometimes pennies are very predictable. Unpredictable. My bad. But we do know on the positive side, we can get way above the EMA 20 and we can hit an average true range of 4 up in here. We can hit this. We would never buy up in here. We want to definitely buy below here. But this was when all the penny stocks were going crazy, FFIE and all that. But as you can see, all these gaps get closed on the EMA 20. Right in here was the last touch at 318. And then we hit it back here at 516. So 418, 518, that was about a 2 month time distance. So we're at an absurd time. The market's been very bad for penny stocks. So do keep that in mind. I do think, here was our last big one rated here. It's kind of what we're looking at right now. Look at this big, massive time distance. But as always, price comes back to get it. And that's kind of where we're at right now, guys. We're at this extreme area where it's just, it's just kind of boring people out. It's frustrating. And people are like, man, I don't know if I can hold this much longer. I'm sticking to the plan. According to my system, I suspect an EMA 20 any day now. I do like how this trend channel here, it makes sense to me. You have support coming up. So if you're going to add, this is the area I'm looking to add at in the 30 cent area. And I might just probably reset my average. You guys that are in my Discord, you know what my average is. I'll probably reset it here at the upper trend channel. And definitely at the EMA 20 if it hits there. The K value is at a 15.38, so it's kind of low, but it's not like extremely low. I'm not basing my trade on that stochastic oscillator in the bottom. But yeah, this is what it is. It's just very boring. Up, down, up, down, up, down, and hopefully we just get out of this channel and we find find something better to get into. But this is GWAV. A lot of people got lured into it, and rightfully do so. Look at this massive move down it had, and it's just been going down, forever, right? And now this is where retail traders lose patience. They sell it just for it to go up and make quite a size move here. So if we were going to go up from here at the bottom trend channel to the EMA 20, you're looking at a 53% move. Not too shabby. To the upper trend channel, you're looking at 40%, EMA 10, 23, EMA 5 is 16% if you're going to get at this lows. I approve of GWAV. Obviously, we're not at this bottom trend channel here, this ATR4, which is like the massive buy zone. But do keep in mind, this is definitely an EMA 20 type of play. The end goal is to hit that. We are at a 3 month mark and a week time distance. How much more can we go lower? It can keep going down, unfortunately. And until this, what I would like to say is some type of catalyst, something big at this low here, something to reassure the people, not really investing. I'm not investing it, but reassure people, to get this thing pumping up. New back holders, the back holders get out and new people buy it into it. People who don't know this system will probably buy this at the EMA 20 just for this to make a new low. I've seen this happen all the time. There is some people to this day that are holding GWAV way up in here when it was exciting. This is the problem with pennies. When it starts pumping 150% and 200%, I mean, look at this low from here. GWAV has pumped, it was 650%, and people were like, oh wow, this is when this was when pennies was really hot, and people were just kept buying and buying and buying it. But look at this massive, relentless down move that didn't give anybody a break, and it just kept going down forever. I'm not liking it. Obviously I didn't like it till it went close to this ATR4. We have time distance, and this is where I like to get into. I like to buy it when something's depressing. Is GWAV depressing? Absolutely. I think everyone can admit that they're tired of this stock. It's disgusting. They want to just get rid of it, and so that's when I come in and be like, okay, maybe I should start adding on to this position here. And people who are in the Discord, what my position, and I'll be looking for the main goal. What is the EMA 20 and the upper trend channel in here? I think we get a breakout. I am sure of it. It's going to happen when you least expect it. So hopefully we get some type of news from them, and we'll go from there. If you guys want to join the Discord, this is your chance to do it. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. I think anybody can do this strategy. It's very easy to learn. It's not complicated. There's a reason why thousands of members want to join, because a lot of accounts have been from red, and then they're transitioning to green because you don't make a lot of the big common mistakes a lot of people make as retail traders. Please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android user, you'll have to subscribe on your computer or your phone's browser. I'll never trade your accounts or message or DM you first, so please avoid scammers that might try to lure you in and say I'll trade your account. I just don't do that. Read the testimonies of all the people that come in here and have made lots of money. Server shop in the top left will give you access to the subscription channel. I highly recommend give the Day and Swing Trading Plus a try. It's only $12 a month. Skip out on a McDonald's meal. Skip out on a Starbucks coffee. One of those big ventis, and put your education where it is. This right here will change your life. It's changed mine. It's taken me a lot of time to develop this, a lot of trial and error, years of experience, and it's made me a full-time trader doing this type of strategy. Obviously, it depends on your account size. A lot of people make thousands of dollars doing it. A lot of people make just a couple hundred, and that's totally fine. But this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a proper system where you make consistently 10 to 20% gains, and obviously day trading is where it's at. I think you guys are going to really like my day trading strategy. It doesn't require as much patience. If you're watching this and you're like, man, I can't freaking stand GWAV, and that's part of swing trading. Sometimes it's going to be like that. Sometimes you got to hold a week. Sometimes you got to hold a month. Sometimes it happens after a day of holding, and it shoots up 100%. That's the problem with swing trading. You can't control overnight risk, so you have to properly accumulate. When it goes down, you accumulate those ads, and then when it goes up, you better sell those shares. A lot of the newbie traders start buying it when it goes up, and then the company starts diluting on them. So, like I said, guys, 10 to 20% gains. This has that massive room up from there. I think GWAV is good. Hopefully, they release some news, but definitely join the Day and Swing Trading Plus service. If you do subscribe to it on a computer, it's a flat rate, and you'll get access to all my memberships down here. You get entries and exits sent straight to your phone, pinged. You get my RTK journal, where you can see my active trades, my win ratio, which is over 95%. Day trade alerts look like this. You can see the layout. There's no confusion. Swing trade alerts looks like this. So, I think you guys are going to really like it. It's really nice. GWAV is still on my radar. It hasn't touched the EMA 20. Till it touches the EMA 20, then the story's over, and I will never look at GWAV for a very long time. But as of now, this is the channel you're in. You got your ups here. You got your downs here. You're very super close. It can definitely shoot up from this area. It doesn't have to go all the way here. But in the 30-cent area is where I like GWAV. I think GWAV is very bullish right in here. If you're just now getting in, congrats. You can get a very nice gain from this lows. But definitely watch this one. The only thing is, it doesn't have like tremendous volume. It's got about 1 million volumes, 500,000 here and there. But today it had 1 million. The last day had 1 million. The next day had 1 million. And then when it didn't move much, about, is 600,000, but it's still decent. So yeah, definitely keep this on watch, guys. If you guys like this video, do give this video a like, subscribe, comment. I'll do more videos, more updates on it as time goes, but this is the current analysis on it. We're at 3 months and 1 week of not touching the EMA 20. All price has to do it. All price will do it. So as long as you're getting a good entry, you're correlating your entry down from this EMA 20, you should be absolutely fine. So guys, if you guys want to see more videos, like I said, do support the channel. I also do live streams. I'll put the link down below in the YouTube description. You'll see me go live doing my day trades, my swing trade setup, and you'll see how I do it, how accurate it is, how fun it is, and it's just a very nice system. Swing trading, like I said, is a little more boring than day trade, so give my day trading section a try. And if you guys like this video, do like it. All right, guys, that's about it, guys. If you guys join the Discord, we'll make lots of money together. And this is just a basic analysis update on GWAV. All right, guys, catch you guys later. Peace out.